Oh, three. Oh, very beautiful. Very beautiful. Thank you, Rajas. Rajas. Thank you. Yeah, thank you very much. Mm. Show your husband then. Okay, I will show you. Oh, I'm your husband. Oh, Cersei, you're my husband. No, I'm here. May, Mary kiss me. Rajas, Rajas. Natutuloy na po yung lakad namin. Uwi na kami sa Nueva Ecija. Oh, ano, uwi na kami na. Taga dyan yung friend ko. Clyde sa Nueva Ecija. Mm-mm. Oh, I'm not your husband. I have an husband. Oh, tinatanong nila kung asawa daw ako. Come on. Tinatanong nila kung asawa daw ako. Pakita ka, dali. This is my husband, guys. Yes, this is my husband. Magpahag yan. Konti pa, hindi pa nila nakita. Yan. Sir said, this is my husband. Bye-bye na po. Ingat po kayo. Bye-bye. Ingat din, Clyde. And she is married. Yes, I'm married. I don't understand you, Rajas Rajas. Thank you for the heart, Clyde Charles. Guys, you see my husband now? Then viewers, make a love shout out. You see my husband, guys? Yeah. That look like your brother, not husband for me. Oh! That's my husband, guys. It's real. Ask me if you want to marry me. Ask me if he want to marry me. Oh no. No, I will marry, I'm married po. Yan. Seriously, I'm married. Husband must be kiss his wife. Yeah, I will kiss my husband also. Yeah. Rajas, Rajas, hello. I prove it. She's doing cooking. Our lunch. Wait for a while. Yeah, I will kiss him for you to know it's my husband. Yes, kiss me daw. Thank you. Ano lang kayo, heart. Thank you. 6 viewers, mega love shout out. Good morning. Like, pakilagyan ng pagkain sila. 6 viewers, mega love shout out. Bye, Clyde Charles, ingat. 6 viewers, mega love shout out. Thank you for coming to my live, guys. And so appreciated to come to my live. That's your brother for real. It's real. That's my husband. It's real. Yeah, say, Jose de Alcantara. Thing, I still sure that fake husband. No, this is not fake husband. It's a real husband. That's true. That's my real husband. I'm still sure that fake husband. No, that's not fake husband. That's it's true. That's the real husband. I am the second husband. Oh dear. That's so funny. No. Guys, please like my live. Thank you. And also subscribe me guys if you want. It not ano. Thanks. Thanks to all guys. 6 viewers, mega love